Lovelies, welcome to my channel. I'm really trying to get into this YouTube thing now, so this is kind of my first proper video. And today I've got a really exciting haul, and I'm going to be reviewing some clothes from Chamber of Pastel. I've got a really full bag of things here. Now, they had a sale on a couple of weeks ago where they had mystery bundles. So they had a mystery accessories bundle, so I got one of those. They had a mystery like dress bundle, so I got one of those as well. And then I also picked up another dress that I liked from their website. This was really like heavily discounted, and they do these sales like every half a year. Like they do it a couple times a year, and I did put some sneaky like little requests in when I got the mystery bags, and I actually think that they've given me everything I asked for, which is so sweet because I can like see the patterns and stuff peeking through the bag. And these are all handmade from a small business in Thailand as well, by a really nice like group of girls that make these clothes. I actually think it might even be just one girl that makes the clothes, but yeah, their fashion and style is so cute. It's really like kawaii, like Japanese kind of style, just like really cute, all Hello Kitty pink, pretty fairy dresses, and like things that are going to make you feel like a princess. So yeah, that's enough of me blabbling on. Let me show you what I got. Let's go. I'm going to talk through every product and then I'll try them all on. So I've sorted all of the clothes out, and I'm going to start with the accessories bundle. So the first thing I got is this. This is a little like collar. Not really my style. This is probably like the most rogue thing in this mystery bag. But yeah, I'll see what I can do with it. You'll find out in a second. It's very different for me, but I do think I like it. And I wanted different things for my collection, and it is a mystery bag after all. I'm not really sure whether I was meant to wear it with like the bow at the front or at the back or whatever. But yeah, it gets a thumbs up from me, and it's so beautifully made. Like, look at the lace and the pattern. It is so pretty. So the next item is actually something that I requested in the accessories bundle, because they said you could get these hoodie dresses, and I'll put a better clip in a minute, but it's basically like a dress, but like you can wear it over your clothes. So if you had like a crop top and shorts on, you could like wear this over the top and it will make your outfit into a dress. It's like a cover up kind of thing, and it is so cute. It's got this teddy pattern, so you can see there like little cute pink teddy bears, and it's got so many different details, like these little frills, and just like, you know, tulle. It's all puffy and cute. It also has a hood with little ears. That is so cute. I'm really excited for this. So yeah, let's try it on. So this is the hoodie dress. It is quite like oversized, but I guess that is the whole point. It's just meant to go over something. And it's got this cute little hood. I do feel a bit like an anime character, or like I walked out of, I don't know, Build-A-Bear and became a Build-A-Bear. It's definitely different, and it's very like kawaii. Like maybe if I went to Japan or somewhere, and maybe wearing it more open, so it's just like, I like pink stuff, so it is very me, and I'm sure I will get my use from it. So now let's get on to the dress mystery bag. So now we're on to the main clothes mystery bundle, and I requested a cow print dress and also a strawberry dress, but I didn't realise the strawberry dress I liked was actually a two-piece set, and she actually sent me both, which is so sweet. So yeah, the top is the first bit, and oh my god, this is so cute. So this is the top of the strawberry set. As you can see, this is the pattern. It's absolutely adorable, with these big sleeves and then like this little frill bit. I think this would honestly look so cute on its own with just like some nice trousers. Please ignore the sirens. I live on a main road. I think this would be so cute with just some really nice trousers, like black trousers, and this would be like the star of the show. It's so adorable. Oh my god, this top is literally gorgeous. The strawberry top looks great with just some trousers on. I probably wouldn't actually wear these ones, but they're the only black trousers that aren't in the wash, so that's what you're getting for today. But yeah, this is so cute. Now let's try it on with the skirt too. And let me show you the bottom half, which is the skirt. Now this is definitely like quite show-stopping. It is puffy and cute, Honestly, I feel like I'm gonna look like a cake in this dress, but like that's not a bad thing. Like this is just so cute. If I had more Harry Styles concerts to go to, I would definitely be wearing this there. But yeah, let me show you the outfit as well. So this is the whole outfit with the skirt as well. It is quite extra, but I love it. I, again, feel like a princess. If I had a Harry Styles concert to go to, I would definitely be wearing this. Maybe I will wear it for my birthday or something because it is so pretty. This is quite different for me, to be fair. I don't actually really own any clothes like this, but it is so cute and different. I think this would be like perfect for afternoon tea or something, but I'm so happy that I got it in my mystery bag. I feel like I might get more use out of just the top on its own, but I guess I could always try the skirt like with a different top. And yeah, it's so pretty and like just so detailed. I love it. Thumbs up. Next up we have the cow print dress. I'm really excited for this. I think this is just going to be so cute to wear in summer and just feel like a fairy. Yeah, it's literally just a dress. It's got like the cinch top, which is stretchy, some nice puffy sleeves, and you know, it's kind of like frilly. It's got these little details as well, and it is cow print. Like, who wouldn't love that? I think it's quite wearable. I don't think it's like too over the top. I'll probably wear it for like some brunches and in summer. Okay, now this might be my favourite. This is so gorgeous. I actually am in love with this, but I can't tell whether I look like a cow or a Dalmatian, so let me know below. But this is so cute. I'm definitely going to get use out of this. This isn't too like extra. Well, it is a bit, but you know. And then lastly, this is the dress that I saw originally that I really liked. Oh my god, I just realised it's come with a headband as well. That is so cute. But it's actually like a Disney themed dress, and I don't own Disney clothes. I'm not really like a Disney gal, but this was so cute, and maybe it's a hint to my boyfriend because I want to go to Disneyland. But yeah, this is really cute. Again, it's like got the puffy sleeves, and it is like a princess style dress. It's got it is a bit different though. It's got like normal fabric at the top and then this bit, but it's got like a lace, which is really cute, and then it's quite puffy, and then obviously we have a little matching hairband as well, which I didn't know we were gonna get, but that is really cute. Let's try this one on as well, and I'll be back with my final thoughts in a second. And this is the last dress of the haul. I absolutely love this one. I feel like I'm a sweet in this dress. It's giving like candy vibes, and this one's got a different top with this little cinch thing. This is kind of just for show, but you know, it still obviously does look like my waist is more cinched here because of the fabric. And yeah, it's puffy. It technically has these little tiny heart pockets. They're obviously just for show, but you know, like look at all of the details. It's so pretty. And then obviously like the different fabric on the sleeves. And yeah, this is so cute. Can't wait to wear this to Disneyland one day, but of course I'll be wearing it before because it is so pretty. So to conclude, I think this was a really successful haul. Obviously there were some pieces in there that definitely were a bit out of my comfort zone, but I think that that's good, and it's nice to have some new things that I don't already have in my wardrobe. I still have my little Disney dress on. I absolutely love this. And yeah, I mean, this is such a cute brand. Everything is obviously like really well thought of, handmade and original. So yeah, this is the brand, the Chamber of Pastel. I will also link them below as well, and yeah, go check it out for yourself, guys. If you love like Disney, Hello Kitty, just anything cute and princessy, then I think you're gonna love them. And if you liked my video, obviously this is kind of like my first proper YouTube video, I would really appreciate if you could give me a thumbs up. If you could also hit the subscribe button, I would be really grateful. And I'll keep making videos like this. I aim to post once a week, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, lovelies.